Hello, so how are you all doing? So we headed to a place called as Ukhimath to bring in our New Year's, and come, let me take you all over. So this was on 30th morning by around 4 a.m. when we started from Noida.
Hey, good morning.
So this place, Ukhimath, it's a small town in the Rudraprayag district of Uttarakhand, and before the winter sets in, all the Utsav deities from the Kedarnath, they arrive here before the snow begins. So this was just a random decision of being here, away from the hustle bustle of the city life. So after the long travel, we halted at this location for a quick sandwich break.
Hello, Sammy.
So Revery, the tiny house in Ukhimath, was our home for 3 days. So surrounded by the mountains, this cozy property offers a blend of luxury and comfort with its stylish rooms. So I can see why people want to retire early these days after achieving the financial freedom and setting in places like this away from the city hustle bustle. So mountains would always have my heart. The view from this room was absolutely breathtaking. So if you ask us about the plan for 31st, I would say it's all about relaxing. So I see us submerging ourselves in the chill zone, where I just see us doing nothing and just relax. So after soaking ourselves in the sun and a good coffee break, I decided to cook.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. I would. talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice, not sleeping well. And I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would.
So after enjoying this hefty meal, it was time again to unwind and relax and have lots of me time. So as the sun was setting for 2022, heart was filled with lots of gratitude as the year was indeed beautiful, and hope 2023 is more magical. So cheers to the very first morning of 2023, and a big thank you to all of y'all for staying over. Hope 2023 turns out more magical for all of us, and wishing you all lots of love and happiness. Do stay by, and I'll see you all very soon. Till next, bye bye.